I'm going to explain the very basics of how After Effects and Illustrator work together. Big chance that you have worked or are going to work with either in the future, and there are a couple of things that are good to know. First thing is importing the Illustrator files. When you import your Illustrator files to After Effects, you get a pop-up window that will ask you how you want to import it, as a composition or as footage. You want After Effects to create a new composition with all the layers inside of it, so I always choose composition. If you choose footage, it will merge all the layers you made into one layer. Or you can choose a specific layer from your Illustrator file to import. You want independent layers so you can animate them separately, but you have to prepare this in Illustrator. In your Illustrator file, make sure you put the objects that you want to animate in different layers. This way, when you import it into After Effects, the layers will also be separate. The next important step is to put on the continuous rasterize option for all the layers. This makes sure that when you scale anything in that file, you won't lose any quality. The great thing about working like this is that you can change an object in Illustrator, for instance the color of an object, and it will automatically change this in After Effects as well. Now you know the very basics of how Illustrator and After Effects work together.